Alright, you guys, so this is the cabin filter I'm going to be replacing. Got that from O'Reilly's. There's the part number 3047 HP. And here's the new air filter we're going to be replacing. It's a K&N drop-in filter. Part number right there. Here's our air filter. Pretty easy. Just got 2 clips. Pop that open. Still looks clean. This only has 45,000 miles. Gonna be chucking that. There's the new K&N filter. Just a little comparison. Let me go ahead and unwrap that. OEM versus K&N. Alright, simple enough. Let's just drop it in. Let me get some of this trash out of here. Slides right in. This car smells like somebody been smoking cigarettes in it, and I need to replace this cabin filter. It's probably filthy. Can't stand the smell. So it's pretty simple. Get all this stuff out of here. So we have this little cubby tray, just slides right out. You have this little flap right here. Just stick your finger in there, lift it up, comes out. Now you have access to the cabin filter, which is right there. There's 2 clips on each side. One right there, and then one right here. That was easy. That comes out like so. Now we just pull the filter out. It's a little dirty. Looks like somebody already replaced this cabin filter. Has a CarQuest filter. Make sure the airflow faces down. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. Alright, just make sure there's no more trash in there. Leaves and shit. Alright, so this is the cabin filter I'm going to be using. Got this from O'Reilly's.
Wow.
So you guys should always change your cabin filter at least once a year. Sorry for the noise. I got my neighbor cutting grass in the background. Cabin filter, you just slide it back in. Like so. That's actually the wrong way. When it goes in one way. Got the cover back in. Alright, finally got the cover back on. Gotta finesse it a little bit. Like just this little cubby. Alright, you guys, so got the new K&N filter in, got the new cabin filter in. I'm not sure if you guys can hear this. I'm gonna give it a couple revs, see if it made any improvements. Oh yeah, definitely louder. Throttle response is a little quicker as well. Alright, let's try changing the mode. Put it on sport mode. Let's see if it sounds different. Don't know. Let's put it on Sport Plus. Definitely can hear the intake better now. Alright, so let's go on a test drive and let's see if we can hear the VTEC kick in now. We're just gonna skip and go straight to sport mode. Let's see, let me get out the neighborhood first. Wow, definitely a huge improvement. Definitely hear the intake suck now. Let me see, I'm trying to make a pull. Make sure there's no cops. I'm gonna make sure there's nobody in the way. Alright, let's do a quick 40 row. That's nice. Still quiet. Make a U-turn. Just make a U-turn and then let's see how it sounds when we step on the gas. Alright, you guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Got the new K&N filter installed, got a new cabin filter in. Next thing we're gonna do is I do not know. This is my wife's car. Well, it's our car. It's our new car. We're probably gonna work on a TSX next because that's my new daily. The hatch might be for sale, or I might keep it and store it in the garage, and who knows what we're gonna do with that. But I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out. Don't forget to like the video and comment if you guys have any questions, and consider subscribing if you want to see more content. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.